Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to use the table of content on your document in Microsoft Office Word Web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert the table of content on the first page on your document. So first you just need to select the headings, so only table of content will be appear. Select the heading and you just choose the heading 1. I just choose here. So here I just going to choose a heading 2, and this I just want on the first page, so heading 3, and this is a conclusion and it's a heading 4. You just click on drop menu. You can see only 4 headings are here. While you're selecting, automatically next heading 5 will be automatically generated, and just need a end page here. Okay, so it's this end page and it's heading 5. So I just selected ending heading 5. You can see already heading 6 has been created. So now after finishing selecting the headings and what the style that you want here, you just need to select this from here, an example title and something like that. Clicking here, click on the reference. In reference, you can see an option called insert table of content. Just click this, automatically the page has been inserted here. You can update. If you change anything, you just click on the update, automatically it updated. You can see the second page was Google, and the fourth page was about arrow, and the fifth page about the table what we selected. It automatically appears here. So by this option you can easily put your page number on table of content on the front page of your document easily. I think this video useful to you. If it is useful, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to click on that class subscribe button below. If you want more content about the Microsoft Office Word Web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.